Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this. King Wasiu Ayinde Marshal's son Yomade on Friday got married legally with his girlfriend Fatima Obe at the Ikoyi registry. The happy father shared the photo and wrote, "All glory and praises to God Almighty, today August 25, 2017 at the marriage registry at Ikoyi, Lagos. My son Suleiman Ilyu Yomade Adewale Ayinde Marshal and his beautiful wife Fatima Adetotu Obe got married before the chief registrar of marriage Mr. Kazali. May God Almighty bless their union with abundance of all things that will make them appreciate the goodness of God, so that they too can do same for their children. Honestly, I'm in a joyous mood."
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Bua TV is always the first to get there, so you just need to subscribe unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe is so simple. There's a circle here written Bua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any events, you can call us. We're going to come. If any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Bua TV. You see there. We are always there. We are everywhere.